Hi everyone, my co-saver, the spenders. Welcome back to my channel. And I wanted to share with you my purchase of the Louis Vuitton Neverfull MM. I bought this recently in January of this year, 2025. And is it really worth it? Let's see after we open it. So here we are. So the dust bag is just still the same color as the ones they had in 2020, no, in 2016 or 2018. Ah, yeah, 2018. Let's remove it now from the dust bag. Wow, it's so gorgeous. I love it. Until now, I really like this print. It's the Damier Ebene. Look at it. Still, it has the clasp to secure your things. It is a very light bag, although it's quite a bit big for my frame, I would say. But anyhow, I really love the print. And if you can see, so it has the small pouch which you can carry with you during daytime or for going for lunch if you don't want to carry your big bag, or at nighttime. So it's really also a lovely piece. Very smooth. And if you will open the bag inside, this is made in France. And if you notice the label, it's actually a different font type and font size. And if you will open it on the, or if you will check the sides, you can see the label of Louis Vuitton, which wasn't there in the previous versions or older version. Now, I'm not sure how to put this small handle here, but I think this is for the small pouch. Anyway, I can fix that one later. So here, let's close it again. And it's really lovely, isn't it? So is it still worth it buying in 2025? Setting aside the price, yes, it's still worth it for me because I know that this bag will last long because of its durable material, which is canvas, and the bag is classic. Let me show you as well the bag organizer that I purchased from Amazon. This is actually a color brown, which is cheaper than the color red. Yeah, it's like 75% cheaper than the red color. So as we open it, you can see that there are two pieces. One is the base shaper and the other is the organizer. So this organizer is flexible. It has how many compartments? Let's count it. I am checking if the zipper is not broken, but so as you can see, you can smoothly glide it on. And what I like about this bag shaper organizer is that it has 8 compartments. Let's try it. Let me open the bag. It fits well. And let's put the organizer inside. So you can see that the organizer is very flexible. The edges are not square. It's not stiff. Okay. So it really is a nice bag organizer. There you go. Because I don't like buying a stiff one, otherwise it will deform your bag in the long run. It keeps the bag in its form and the bag doesn't look bulky. We'll try to pull the strings inward just to check if the organizer will still keep the form or not. Okay, it's still good. Now, if I wanted to make it smaller, oh, I'm struggling. Well, I think it's not a good idea to keep on pulling it. Look at that. No, it's much better not to do that. Just remove the organizer, and maybe later on, let's see how it works. Maybe because it's still a new piece, so it's better not to push it that much. So by pulling the adjuster inward, it makes the bag smaller, and it's a perfect size for a petite woman like me. Okay, and before we end this video, I just wanted to suggest to you, my co-saver, the spenders, that in case you have plans of buying this bag, buy it now if you have already saved for it or if you have an extra, especially if you really love it and you know that you will buy it no matter what. For you to be able to save, then this is the right time to buy, because the longer you wait, the price keeps on increasing. And this is actually one of my regrets for not buying it in 2018. That's all, guys, and thank you very much for watching. If you're new to my channel and interested with my content, please like and subscribe.